Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to hide members in WhatsApp group. So first of all, go ahead and open up the WhatsApp. Lots of examples that you want to basically hide members. So what you're going to do first, you're going to just go ahead and click the communities right here, and you're going to start a new community, right? So basically, after you create the community name and all that, and basically you're going to be able right here to see your community, right? And you can add group within it, and now you can create a new group and then name that group and then add the members of that group, right? And then basically what you're going to do next, you're going to be able to add that group right here. Basically the members will be hidden inside the community group. All right, so let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.